Hey everyone out there, welcome back to another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And it appears there's a new article in the New York Times today that we want to kind of dive into a little bit. It goes into about how the majority of large solar companies aren't profitable, specifically points out Sunrun and Sonova, and that between the two of them, they've lost about $500 million, which is it's a lot of money, and it should raise a lot of eyebrows. Obviously, those two companies have paths to profitability that they feel confident in, their investors feel confident in, and their partners feel confident in. So, obviously open for debate, up to discussion, but it should be discussed, I think, both sides, right? So I think the transparency in solar has what's pushed a lot of the industry forward, and I think this could be like the last finishing push to really make it seem like we really are a far more transparent industry than the fossil fuel industry we're competing against. Pretty open idea, but I think if we all work together within the industry, that's something we can all achieve, and honestly, it will benefit every single one of us in the industry, which, as a business owner, very few times can in an industry come together where it truly will benefit everyone, not just most or some, but truly everyone. So that's something I think we should work on as a group, and I hope that we do. Also, the article goes on to say about the other aspects of solar, about if Biden comes in, what they're looking for, and it gives you the article today. You should read it yourselves. It's kind of an up and down, the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? The whole thing. It's a pretty transparent article, and about what we're looking to do for solar in the future, which is hopefully get a tax. A tax credit like the ITC, but for energy storage by itself differently than the one that exists now. So I'm trying to improve on the benefits of it overall, and it also goes on to say that nobody can dispute the fact that the demand for solar is just growing multiple, right? And we all know that. If we're in the industry, we know that. If you're watching this channel as a potential solar potential solar customer, then you know as well too, because you've been doing your research, hopefully. So just wanted to touch base on it, get some recognition. Today's New York Times article, I think you guys should check it out. It's pretty good. That's it. So thanks for watching the episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. Thanks.